Hello guys, today I got a parcel for sharpening service. It's named as a straight razor, Damascus steel. But look at that, I don't know what is this. This rust. I told to an owner that is not straight razor, it's a souvenir you may use to preparing the pencil, but it's not for shaving. The handle it's quite heavy, quite big, it's look like a knife, not like a straight razor. It's exactly souvenir, and an expert who made it doesn't really know what is the straight razor. You may see it's a carbon steel. I don't know why it's a rust. It's rust on a bevel edge. So, or if it was a wet or I don't know, several days in a post, and the much rust on a bevel edge. Maybe the pouch was wet, I don't know, but this is just 5 minutes ago I got this razor. You may see it's very wide bevel edge. It's not suitable for sharpening, for shaving. Of course I can do it, I can sharpen it, but the owner, I think, can't shave with it. I don't know. For example, I have a knife, also Damascus steel, but it has 300 layers. It's good for knife, but it's not good for straight razor. I don't know how many layers in this blade and which kind of steels was used to make this blade. For example, I have a Damascus steel straight razor. It's a straight razor, really straight razor. It has 2,600 layers. It's special steel. It's a very good shaving. Very good shaving. But you may compare these razors, this handle and this straight razor. It's for me it looks like not knife, like X. You may see the handle. It's really straight razor, Damascus steel, but not many people can do it. Not many people. For example, you may see another straight razors, really straight razors. You may compare the same. It's Philharmonica, the same. It's not look like a straight razor. This is straight razor. Again, straight razor. You see the handle, it's really straight razor. And the distance between these razors, like from the earth to the moon, it's very big distance, very big distance. You may see another, it's Puma. The big difference, big difference. It's very, very heavy, and you may see a bevel edge. This bevel edge and this bevel edge. You see a difference? Very thin, but it's very wide. For example, if you compare with my knife bevel edge, you see knife and straight razor. On this straight razor, the bevel edge wider than of my knife. For example, another, it's sharpened already. You may see bevel edge. It's very thin bevel edge. And this bevel edge. Again and again I show. It's not straight razor, sorry. One more straight razor. It's Commercial style. You see a handle. It's very funny, very funny. So I don't suggest to buy straight razors like this. It's not straight razor. It's only as a souvenir. You can't shaving, so it's too heavy. It's not made for shaving. It's not made for shaving. It's very unusable to shave with it. It's very, very heavy handle, and you can't shave comfortable, and you can't shave. Can't shave. That's all. It's souvenirs. That's all.